What's up, CEOs? So we have auto dealer training today, right now, for auto dealers, newbie auto dealers, just making sure all my volume and everything is all good. And we're waiting right now for the notifications to go out in the Facebook group for newbie auto dealers. So if you're watching this video right now, then you're watching a recording that is uploaded to YouTube while we wait. And if you want to join live, then you can join the Facebook group. You can get in on this live Q&A action that we have going on. Hey, D'Amica, what's up? So, CEOs, today we're going to be talking about how starting small as a dealer works. I'm Shamel Leonard, and I am a licensed auto dealer, and I started the Auto Dealer Business School because I wanted to give small dealerships a leg up. I wanted to give you some tools, some strategies, some processes, and even create some relationships that would help you in your business, to help you get started and to help you save money so that you can make more money. Okay. I wanted to help you to start small and to grow safely. That is my goal. And we have a couple of announcements at the Auto Dealer Business School. We have two programs, one where we help people to get licensed, and pretty soon you'll see the new members of the Auto Dealer Society, meaning the newly licensed dealers that came from this last cycle. But we help people to get licensed, everyday people who are flipping cars, people who know very little about cars, but know about their passion and what they want to do and how they want to change this industry through our program, Drama Free Licensing VIP. Now, what that program does for you is complete all of the paperwork so that you can get licensed quickly and faster and with ease and less stress. So we go through the process with you, and we help you to satisfy all the requirements. Okay. So if you're interested in getting licensed and want help, then check out Drama Free Licensing. And then we have the Certified Dealer Club. So once you get licensed, and while you're in Drama Free Licensing, you get admission into the dealer club. But we have the Certified Dealer Club, which is getting a makeover. It will soon be the $1 Million Dealer Club. Now, to be honest, I've always wanted to call it the $1 Million Dealer Club, but I wasn't sure if that's really what it was. But now recently, with $100K month from a dealer and almost $1 million year, very close right now for another, dealerships are really starting to realize the dream of being $1 million dealership. So now I feel confident to call the program the $1 Million Dealer Club. So you can join the $1 Million Dealer Club, where you can help your customers to get finance, sell more cars using financing, and earn $1 million in your dealership. Okay, so that means you could be a millionaire very soon, and I'm here to help you to do that. So if you want some more information about that, then check out the Certified Dealer Club, soon to be $1 Million Dealer Club. All right. So I want to talk to you today, CEOs, about starting small and how it works. So spoiler, it doesn't work. Okay. Starting small doesn't work. And let me tell you why. I know that you want to sell a few cars and get a little bit of experience after you get licensed, but it's not the real experience. The real experience of being a dealer and having a dealership is having full operations. It's having your financing in place, your inventory, your floor plan, your display space, your lot management, your software, your systems. I know I said systems, but it's about the systems, okay? Because your goal is to be an absentee owner. And starting small is the long road there. So let's talk a little bit about starting small and why it's an issue. Okay, so yes, it's not the real experience. You can't create a system. So you can't systemize anything going on in your business, which means that you have to touch each and everything that your business does and your business creates, which is not a no-no these days, right? We want passive income. We want investments. We want things that we work hard once and it grows, right? So that's number one. You can't create a system. You have to manage it yourself. I mentioned that. You pay more in expenses than you make because you have all these expenses that aren't really paying off, because dealerships need certain expenses. They need certain things to operate. So you still get those things, but then you don't have the sales, the volume to justify paying those. So then you end up paying more in expenses than you make, and possibly even going in the hole and spending your life savings on starting small. Okay. Also, all your vendors want and need volume. Your vendors as a dealer are your lenders or your partnerships, your lenders, your service agreement company, anyone who supports your car sales. They all want volume from you. And even now, in searching for different service contract companies, a lot of companies are changing their policies, and they're asking for a minimum amount of sales per month before you sign up with them, because they need volume, they need transactions, they need revenue. So they need to partner with dealers who are also or who are bringing transactions, revenue, units sold, right? So they need volume. So for them to keep working with you, they expect you to bring them volume. Your lenders are going to be asking you, when are you going to send me some more deals? When do you have another deal to close? So I can't in good faith sign you up with these lenders and you're selling one or no cars a month, right? So you need volume. Then the other problem with starting small is you can't pay yourself consistently or anyone else. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. You can't pay yourself consistently or anyone else. And I don't know about you, but you're supposed to be doing this to get paid. You're supposed to be doing this to create wealth, to give you more money, to maybe retire you from your job, to maybe invest in something else like real estate, etc. So you have to pay yourself consistently. And if you're going to be an absentee owner or have passive income in this business, then you're going to need to pay other people. And you're going to need to know that you have the money to pay other people, right? And starting small and selling a couple of cars here and there does not lead down that road, okay? And CEOs, okay? Secretly, you want to be the ish. All right. You want to be the bigger operation. You want your family and friends to put some respect on your name, right? You want them to recognize your business as a really great business. You want to be the plug, and you want to have the operations where if they say they need a car, you say, okay, well, check my website, go over there to my dealer, call up there, talk to so-and-so, they'll help you out. That's secretly the life you want to live, okay? You don't want to live the life where you're like, okay, well, let me see what I can do. Let me fit it in. And then you don't have time. And then you drop the ball. And then they go buy the car somewhere else. That's not what you want to do. You want to be a bigger operation CEO. So let's be a bigger operation. And it's easier to be a bigger dealer selling at least 10 cars a month, because all the things that you can't do, then you can do on the other side. Okay. So you can become an absentee owner. You can pay yourself consistently. You can get the team so you can send over, cousin them or whoever who wants to buy a car. You can systemize. You can have happy partnerships like your lenders, your service contract people. They're happy because you the ish to them. You bringing them business. So they're like, whatever you want, right? So you can have that, and you can advertise. Okay. You can advertise, and you can pay for advertising that helps you to sell more cars and to sell them faster and to make you more money and to get you to $1 million dealership faster, CEOs. That's really what you want to do. You don't want to start small. You want to start safe. That's what you're really saying. And I know that's what you're saying because I hear it when you say, I want to, understand more about the process. I want to get my feet wet. I want to see what this is like. I want to, experiment really. Well, experiment at the $1 Million Dealer Club. That's exactly what it's here for. We help you to start safe, but grow to be the bigger operation, to be the ish, to be the plug that you really want to be for your people, your family, your community. Okay. So at the $1 Million Dealer Club, what we do is we have all the relationships set up that you'll need for your dealership, the software, the vendors, the partnerships. Also, you'll have the processes that will help you to get what you need to get done faster with ease. You know what the first step is and to the last. Okay. We also have accountability that helps you to keep everything working as it should, like managing your net profit and making sure that your operations are healthy operations. Your business is a healthy business and has healthy income. Okay, we have support in our dealer meetings that we have 3 times a week. We have not only support, but also troubleshooting, because things do happen and they come up when you're a bigger operation. Things do come at you a little faster. That's why you need constant support. In addition to the dealer club meetings, we have instant chat. So if there's something going down outside of the dealer club meeting, then you have the instant chat to be like, hey, yo, let me, I need some help. This happened. What do I need to do? Okay. These are all supports for you to be a bigger operation so you can have consistent sales and you can have consistent income, and then you can leave your job, or if you love your job, you can have a second income that you can use to invest. CEOs, it's time to realize the dream. And your dream is to be financially secure, to have generational wealth, and to have freedom, right? To have more time and more money. And that's the dream. So it's time to realize the dream. It's time to put your dealership together. Get your financing together, get the help you need, get the support you need at the dealer club. If you have questions, you need help, you're like, maybe this might not work for me, maybe it will it work for me? Then you can schedule a strategy session and we can talk about the best plan for you. Because if it's not for you, then I definitely will say it's not for you. But I am calling all dealers right now who want to be the ish, who want to have a bigger operation. And just want to know the plan on how to do it. Want to be $1 million dealer, because that is my mission. My mission is to create $1 million dealerships that serve the community and serve the owners in the very best ways, and are not traditionally owned by the people we usually see owning these $1 million dealerships. Okay, that's my mission. So now that I have smelled the success of having $1 million dealership, or being able to put together $1 million dealership for someone outside of myself, then now I'm ready to do it for you. So schedule your strategy session or join the $1 Million Dealer Club so we can get your $1 million dealership up and going, your dream dealership. All right, CEOs, let me know if you have any questions. Put them in the comments. I will be in the comments and answer anything and everything you have there. All right, I'm always praying for your success. If this is not the path for you, whatever path you choose to take, I wish you well on that path. Just take some path, okay? Because you have to take action. It's time to make happen what you want to happen. I heard this quote recently that if you don't sacrifice for what you want, then you sacrifice what you want. And I believe that. All right, CEOs, so be blessed, and I'll see you next week. Bye.